It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. We're on our way to a brand new brewery opening today called Nash Brewing Company. Previously Vale of Glamorgan Brewing Company. They're opening their tap room today, so I'm really looking forward to getting over. I'm gonna park the car up and leave the car, just for all of you who think I do a bit of drink driving. I wouldn't do that. We're gonna leave the car over there and I'm gonna pick it up in the morning. But it's in an industrial estate. I'm just having a look. Do you know, I think we may have gone past it.
Yeah, we've gone the wrong way.
We've gone the wrong way. Right, let's turn round. Keep it going, keep it going. I reckon if I'm quick enough. No, we won't rush out. Right, we'll keep going. We've gone past it. It's just in here. What a great start to the video. So, what I'm looking forward to today, as you can probably see with the weather, it's nice, sort of sunny, cloudy day, but it's only going to be 10 degrees, so we got our coats on. My wonderful wife Mel, is filming today's video. We're going to go over and I fancy some pale ale, some pale ales and some IPA, maybe a stout. What are you looking forward to? What would you like to drink, Mel?
Yeah, maybe a stout. It's sunny, but it's quite wintry still, so yeah.
It is.
So see what they've got.
It's on the corner here. There it is. Look, every beer a legend. Nash Brewing Company. Should we park there and walk in?
Yeah.
Or should we park? No, let's go.
Might not be any spaces by the look of all these.
I just don't want to leave it on there. Oh, there's somebody there. Oh, look at that. There we are. There we are. I reckon we'll be alright here, won't we? A little car, yeah. No one's going to be coming down here on the weekend, I don't think. No big lorries. Right, let's keep it filming. Let's get out the car. Yeah. Leave that there for the night.
Sure, it's alright by there.
What do you think? Yeah, that'll be alright there, won't it? That'll be
put it in a wee bit more.
I want a pint. Right, so Nash Point, we had a little talk about it this morning. We were on Google Maps, didn't we? I was thinking there's no Nash Point in Barry. It's actually Lantern Major, isn't it?
It's a bit further up the coast.
A bit further up the coast, so it's
like Marcross.
Marcross.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's a Nash Point
pizza smoke.
lighthouse there, isn't there?
We'll have to phone the kids up. I want that pizza. Oh my goodness, can you smell it?
Yeah, it smells good.
We'll have that. We've got a nice mobile pizza bar, bit of street food. Look at that. Hello, how are you doing?
How are you okay?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. So there's their food options: pepperoni, margarita, ham and pineapple, barbecue chicken and bacon, veggie. It's the garlic bread pizza. I think I can smell. Wow. Whoa, that smells great.
See that grey car?
Get him, please, get him,
So this is the tap room. Oh, over there. I'll tell you what I'll do. If you want to stand in the queue, I'll run round and have a little look at the brewery maybe. I'll go and see if I can grab one of the owners and get straight in. I might pick up a little look on the brewery. Is that okay? Thank you anyway. Hello Virgil, how you doing mate? You alright? Right, okay, so brewery, here we are. Fantastic, fantastic. So here's some of the vessels. Fermenters over there. More kettles over there. Ah, yeah, fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. And the sun's shining, which is awesome. I like this. I like this sort of little area of... Oh, here we go. Bedrock Bitter, Revival Pale Ale, Frolic West Coast Session IPA, Ammonite IPA, then you got some keg stuff as well. So that's your cask ale, there's your kegs. Awesome. Taproom exclusive Pilsner 4.5 and a lactose tropical IPA. You like that, I think? Maybe? Yeah. Okay, we'll pause the video for a minute and we'll grab our beers and then we'll go outside and have a little drink. Right, okay. Bedrock Bitter. Nash Point Brewing Company, 4.5% ABV, and you have the...
It's the IPA with the lactose in it, 6.5.
Yeah, it haven't got a name yet. They haven't named it yet, but it's a lactose IPA. It looks really good.
It does look good, to be fair.
Go on, get in, do a little beer review. I haven't done one for ages.
Very, tropical, very tropical. Really nice, very, very fruity aroma. Mango. Almost passion fruit in there as well. Really aromatic. Let's go for a taste. Cheers.
Get in. Good.
Yeah, really nice.
Good mouthfeel.
Yeah, a nice mouthfeel. The lactose makes it nice and smooth. Still quite. It's got a nice carbonated bite to it, which I quite like because it keeps it refreshing.
Sorry for the wind. We're struggling a bit with the wind.
That bitter, really hoppy bitterness. Nice. It's got nice sweet notes though. Those tropical flavours are definitely coming through it. Nice hoppy bitterness though at the same time.
Cool.
Really well balanced, to be fair.
Would you have it again?
Yeah, I would.
That's
and
the main thing.
6.5%. It doesn't taste boozy whatsoever, which
Cool.
is always a good thing. Or is it?
Okay.
Not sure. Turn
Awesome.
around a bit because the sun's.
There we go.
They are.
Right.
Lightens us up, but.
I'm gasping. Packed the car up for the day. This is Bedrock Bitter. I went for a bitter because I quite like bitters these days. A really good solid bitter, as long as the style's great. Well, the style is great, as long as the beer's great. I love it. Right, aroma. Yeah, brilliant, solid, biscuity, nutty, quite bready, quite fruity as well. Lots of hops on the back end. Yeah, let's get in. Cheers. Oh yeah, really good, really solid. I mean, well, they give us some Welsh cakes as well.
I've got Welsh cakes in my hands.
So you'll have to give that a try if you can. Yeah, 3 Welsh cakes today. And this is
Nice
Barry's
roasted.
local brewery, which is really awesome. To have a tap room where they make their own beer, and we live a mile away.
Yeah.
It's just fantastic.
In that way.
Absolutely fantastic.
Yes, that's nice. I prefer my one though.
Can I have a taste of yours?
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, I got it. Right, so this is the lactose IPA, 6.5%. Smells fantastic. A really juicy, hoppy,
It is really.
like passion fruit
really,
and mango, isn't it? Yeah,
That's
really good.
what I said, yeah. I did say that first, everybody.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good,
I did.
good. Let's get in. Oh yeah. I tell you what I like about that. You like your IPAs, don't you? I like the fact that there's not too much lactose in that. You're picking up more of the hops, more of the fruitiness. Yeah.
And a good carbonation on there as well.
Brilliant. My beer's on the floor. Right, I'm going to wrap this up for now. I believe we got Lee from Dog's Window Brewing Company coming as well, so I'm pretty sure when Lee comes we'll do a little video together. He's got a collaboration with these guys on at the moment, but yeah, this is launch day at Nash Point Brewing Company. I wish this company every success in the future. Back in a moment.
Cheers.
Cheers. Right, we got Virgil. How you doing, Virgil?
Very good, thank you.
Yeah, brilliant, brilliant. Nash Point Brewing Company. Why brewing?
Why brewing? I think it's just the love for beer, really. This is how the idea came about. I'm a nurse by trade. A lot to do with beer, of course, in the university years.
My
absolutely.
wife filming, he works in pharmacy.
But it's just the love for the trade, really, and an opportunity came about, and I couldn't say no.
Yeah.
And it's, of course, the only brewery in the Vale of Glamorgan.
Yes.
So we had to do it.
And this is it. This is the brewery behind. You got an IPA and I'm drinking the best bitter. Do you want to show me around the brewery and then we'll come back out in the sunshine? So, starting off, just looks like we've got a little can line there.
This is the bottling line. We've got a really small canning line, just to, you know.
So hand canning. Yeah, I mean, you're starting off, and you're starting off as a new venture.
It's more for, you know, people come and want to take something away that we haven't got to stock. This is something that we can do for them. And this is the
bottling line. That's the bottling line. Okay, and then going into the actual brewery itself. Let's start off with it.
It's a mash tun, so this is where the grains come from upstairs into the mash tun. They get transferred into the boiler. We boil the beer in this vessel here. And of course this is where you add the hops, and then it gets transferred into the fermentation vessels.
Yeah,
absolutely. And then it goes into a bright beer tank.
Yeah.
This one just over here for you know, beers like lager.
Yeah. I see you've got a lager in. How long does your beer generally stay in the fermenters for?
It all depends on the type of beer, really, but it's from 7 to 10 days, really.
Yeah. Fantastic. Let's get back out in the sunshine. It's nice
to give him chewing gum. I was a kid then. I used to give him chewing gum.
So the initial sort of like 6 months going into the that's the hoppers behind me making cow noises. But so your plans for the summer now? It's a really perfect time to open a brewery, really, March, isn't it?
It was, yeah.
You're going to be going into April. The weather's going to warm up. You're going to start selling a lot of beer over the summertime. Is that the sort of plan? Just to sort of like get it going slowly at the beginning and then sort of ramp it up when you know where you are?
Absolutely, it was all planned. You know, it's the weekend before Easter. We're going to have it open for Easter bank holidays on Friday and Saturday, and then getting ready for the summer, as you say. And you know, there's another development coming from this. It's very new and you know, good news for the Vale of Glamorgan.
Yeah.
But probably or potentially we're going to open a new outlet for, you know, to serve our beer.
A bar?
Yes,
right. Okay.
Of course, it's you know, again, early doors, and we won't be discussing location or yet, but absolutely it's an opportunity game, and we can say that.
I mean, on a personal point, I think one of the best places in Barry for this bar to open for me on a personal level would be sort of that area where Craft Republic is, that one of those sort of units there, right next to the dockside. That would be terrific, wouldn't it? If, you know, but of course you're not going to talk about location now. I want to talk. I've had a couple of sips of the lactose. The lactose IPA is really good, really solid. But I wanted to come in and try something like a staple bitter. Yeah, tried the staple bitter. It's fantastic. I can see myself drinking a lot of this on a day like today, which we're going to do when we wrap up this video. But honestly, thanks very much for the chat. Thank you very much. We're going to enjoy some beer now.
Thank you.
And if we're here long enough, We'll have some pizza. The pizza smells
The
fantastic.
pizza is great. Yeah, we had the guys from Bloodback Wales just tried it and they enjoyed it.
Yeah.
This is something I also want to talk about.
Oh,
The
yes, yes.
Bloodback
Oh, yeah.
Wales is a charity that we support today. We were aiming to raise £1,000, hopefully. We're giving away £1 from each pint that we sell.
Right. So it's £1 for each pint that they sell goes to Blood Bank Wales.
Absolutely, and of course is whatever we have
That's awesome.
managed to collect online for the charity.
Ah, fantastic, fantastic. Well, you have a great day for a great rest of the day. When will you be letting your hair down a little bit and having a drink? When will that happen?
Probably after 9 p.m. tonight,
Yeah.
when everybody
Oh,
is
bless
you
you.
know, when everything is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we want
'cause
to have
that-
a successful day.
That one is mine.
This is yours, yes. I'm just holding it to look good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
We might get a little video of Lee with Dog's window over there in a bit, but if not, thanks for watching. Boom, cheers. Check out Nash Point Brewing Company. You're online, yeah?
We are. Yeah. Thank you.
Nashpoint.com,
Nashpoint.co.uk,
nashpoint.co.uk.
and we're on Facebook and Instagram.
Okay,
Thank you.
check them out. The beer's great, really good.